you tell me you're in love with me?
What's up, guys? It's your girl Kay and welcome back to my channel. Now, if you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in. And I am a new YouTuber, so any amount of support and motivation does help me. I'm hoping that you turn into a subscriber by the end of this video because why not? Okay guys, so the wig review that I have installed for you today is by Sheer Muse. It is an Empress wig and her name is Kanisha. Now, does anybody else be wondering why they be getting these names for these wigs? Like, mad aggressive, chill out. You know what I'm saying? Chill out. This is how she looks. Wow, my camera is focusing only on me. The loyalty. Before I ordered this wig, I did do some research on it to see if somebody reviewed it already. And there was only one other person who reviewed it at the time, and she had the wig on that was on the cover, and girl, I personally was not feeling the color that was on her, so I was like, you know what, let me be real bold and be one of the first to just order it in another color. And the color that I did get it in was Money Piece Caramel. Now I'm hoping that it looks bomb, but y'all about to see, okay? Now, if you already seen my other wig reviews, you already know that I am really starting to love the blonde streaks in some wigs, okay? Honey, we not here to look average. So, straight out of the package, that's what I like to see so far. But this is a lot of blonde, I will say. This is a lot of blonde, honey. We about to serve Barbie. This is how she looks in the front. And this is how she looks in the back. Again, this color is Money Piece Caramel. Now, these curls are really cute and bouncy. Like, which way you want me to go? That way? That way? You know? This wig does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, adjustable straps, and we're about to see how this is. She does come with baby hairs in the front. If you know me, you know I don't do baby hairs, y'all. I'm sorry. I don't. I can't. Some people look good in it, but I don't think I do. So I'm going to cut the lace and just put the wig on and show you how it looks. Alright, y'all. So before I do my magic to this wig, I am just showing you guys how it looks and what it feels like once it's outside of the box and on your head. Now, I will tell you that it is big head friendly. I have my natural hair in twist with a wig cap on, so, you know, for it to fit on really comfortable, it's big head friendly. As for the middle part, it looks nice and it looks natural from a distance, but obviously I'm going to have to do some stuff because just leaving it like this, to me, I'm not okay with. But some other people may feel differently, so kudos to you, but I feel like I would just do some more plucking because that does not look natural to me. Now, as for the color, I think the color is really pretty, but it's also really bright. So if you don't see yourself like really popping out with the blonde, then maybe this wig is not for you. But other than that, I really think that it's really cute. Now let's get into the hair quality of the wig. I think that it feels really nice, but wigs like this with these type of curls, they tend to like nap up a lot, and then also once you start brushing into them a lot, they start feeling and looking a certain way. So I already know that this is not gonna be an everyday wig, ladies, and it's also not gonna be like a wig that lasts really long, okay? I'm just giving you guys that heads up. Now I'm gonna do my thing with this wig and I'm gonna be back to show you the final results. So here we go. Okay guys, so this is the finished look that I could come up with this wig. Now, pluck the mess out of this middle part because it was just looking so closed off to me. So I had to make it open up more, and then I put some concealer and foundation in it to make it look neater. Now, as for the baby hairs is extremely long to me, so I just left them. A lot of people normally like cut them or do something else, but I just left it for right now. I just left it in the moment just to like, they're just there. They're just blended in with the hair. Now, let me tell you about my pros and cons with this wig. Now, this wig is absolutely gorgeous, but please note that this wig is originally supposed to be as a side part. So as for the combs, they're not going to be right here and right here. They're going to be like somewhere else, and then the comb that's in the back is going to be also somewhere else. So I personally don't like side parts, but if you like them, more power to you, girl. You rock it. But for me, I just don't, I don't know. It just does not fit well with my face. As for the color of this unit, it's just absolutely gorgeous. But I will say that there is more blondes in one side than the other. So just note that to me, it's not even out, but it's still cute. You know what I'm saying? If you want to go out of your comfort zone, I think that this is the perfect wig for you. As for it being an everyday wig, absolutely not. But if you go for it, you go for it, girl. But don't expect this wig to last long. I will definitely tell you that if I had to put a time limit, I would definitely say that this wig would probably be in the range of a week. Well, I'm kind of biased with that because I always only wear wigs for up to a week. But maybe you can stretch it out. But that's just my opinion on it. I feel like the curls are just going to get stiffened. And also with the curls, obviously, I've had to brush them out. So the curls pattern that was there in the beginning of the video, they're obviously gone. But it still looks cute and it still gives you a volume of sexiness. You know what I'm saying? Because that's what it's about. I would definitely say just go for it and purchase this unit. Now, the price of this unit was, I don't even think I told you guys the price of this unit. Okay, so the price of this unit is $38. So just average that around with shipping and handling, probably like a good $45 to spend, okay, if you're just buying this wig on the website. Again, I purchased this on wigtypes.com, so it was $38.94. So expect that to be like in the ranges of the mid-40s, okay? That is all that I have to say about this wig. Thank you so much for tuning in, and let me know what you think. If you liked the wig, if you liked how it looked on me, or if you want to just say any other comments about the wig, if you're going to purchase it, let me know. I want to hear from you guys. Now, thank you so much for tuning in, and stay safe and be great, guys. Bye. I'll see you in the next video.